We just got home, so we're a little tired. But the box was on the porch. Here, do we have some California newspapers?
What? Let's see. Los Angeles Times.
There you go. What's that? Oh. Oh, cool. Adam's gonna like that. What is that? Oh, how cool. It's a bank.
Thor.
Yes, it is Thor.
That's an iPhone.
Yes, it is an iPhone. It's your very first iPhone. How excited are you?
I'm pretty excited.
Well, your back's to the camera, Ari.
I'm pretty excited.
You're pretty excited? Even at midnight after
And
it.
I have a cold. I was having cramps and I couldn't sleep. So, thank you very much. Bye bye.